What's up, Sunnyvale? Let's look at the coolest projects you guys have been building the last couple of weeks. They're blowing my mind. They're so amazing. First up, we have Marcel's 6 Pillars of Evolution. This is a beautiful website, Marcel. This is so cool. The fact that you broke it down all the way from the largest, craziest cosmic evolution, all the way down chemical evolution, stellar evolution, organic evolution, microevolution, macroevolution. This is so cool. All the pillars are here, and your website looks beautiful. I really like the fact that you use green as your background color, because this is about life and earth, and green really invokes that color. Marcel, this is incredible. Keep building awesome web projects like this. I check out almost every single project you post. You post a lot of stuff, so it's hard to keep up, but awesome job, Marcel. Next up, we have Turtle Kaleidoscope by Pixel Adventure. This is really cool because, well, it's a kaleidoscope. This turtle is drawing this crazy kaleidoscope effect. They're turning, they're drawing, they filled it all in green. I think what would be really cool is if you actually filled it in with different colors so I could see the different layers, because you went through all this work to build this amazing kaleidoscope here. I'd love to see some other colors in here, but Arvin, this is really cool. I love the fact that you did so much happening on the screen with so little code. This is amazing. The fact that you used a for loop is super advanced. I love that fact that you add that in here instead of just having 700 lines of code that you're just drawing the square over and over again. Super cool. I love this. This is awesome. This is the Bradnon by Brandon. All right, so let's go ahead and we got to eat that egg over there. I need to go right. Let's go right here. All right, let's go right again. It's way too far away from me. Come, make this closer. I need to go right one more time. I think I could probably go up now and get it. Oh no, it's still too far. Let's go right one more time. Yeah, I got it. That's really cool. Super awesome project. The fact that you were smart enough to use elifs here instead of just multiple if statements, because you know, well, multiple ifs won't actually work. And the ball or the egg and the turtle are 2 different colors. Super smart, so I can tell the difference there. Awesome job, Brandon. All right, this is Sahasra's Trivia Makes Sense. Get it? Sense like in money, because she's giving away money. This is cool. All right, so what is the only type of armadillos that can roll up? What? I'm gonna have to Google that. Hold on.
6 hours later.
All right, so I found out it's the 6-banded armadillo. Learned something new today. That's pretty cool. Thank you. All right, so you're correct. Yes, you have $100. I got $100. That's it. I'm going to the store. Just kidding. Let me finish this first. What color is the Red Sea? Well, I don't think it's actually red. Otherwise, it'd be filled with like red algae and stuff. I'm pretty sure it's just blue. Yeah, I made $250. This is so cool. Keep building awesome stuff like this. I love the trivia. I love testing my knowledge because I am a collector of random facts, and these are definitely some random facts. Awesome job. That's it. Keep building. We'll see you in the showcase.